you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install, but this time we'll be doing something just a little bit different. Although this wig is a nice bob, this is a 10-inch bob by the way, and she is 100% glueless, I will be showing you guys how to use true scalp tape today instead of adding a whole bunch of makeup on your wig. So if you guys want to see how I did that, just continue to watch. Alrighty, so here is the wig here. Once again, this wig is from Soul Lady and this is their 10-inch straight bob wig. A real nice, easy, simple wig. Definitely one for all of my beginners. The inside of the wig has 4 different combs, the adjustable straps at the bottom, and the elastic band for a glueless wig install. And as you guys can see, the knots on the lace are pretty thin. It wasn't too bad, and this is a closure wig, so we will be doing this 100% glueless and 100% sprayless. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on into this install. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up of the inside of the wig as well as the elastic band for a 100% glueless wig install. And I'm going to give you guys another close-up of that lace as well. I did bleach off camera. Okay, so this is the true scalp tape, you guys. It does come in different skin tones, obviously, different variations, but this is literally just a piece of tape. So I'm just giving you guys a close-up of that. Now, the first thing that you want to do is kind of cut in like a circular motion towards the edges, and all you have to do is just peel it off and put it right on the lace. And I promise you, it is that simple. This is actually to help avoid having to put on additional makeup on your lace, because sometimes makeup could look a little bit cakey-ish or whatever. This is supposed to be a true scalp tape, so it's supposed to literally look like scalp when you install it. So I did have the tape just a little bit too much like towards the front of the frontal, so you want to move it back, but I'm giving you guys a close-up right here just to show you what it looks like. It's definitely giving scalp, and I honestly did not have too much faith in this. This is my first time trying it, and I see why this has become a trend. So now it's time to style the rest of the hair. I will be going in with my wax stick and hot comb just to make sure that the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible. All right, you guys, so look at that lace. It's giving scalp, okay? I did only add makeup to the very front of it because remember I moved the tape back, but it was looking extremely natural, so I was definitely surprised. So now it's time to style the rest of the hair. I'm just going in with my flat iron and just making this bob look a little bit more appeasing to the eye. If you do have a wig stand and you have a wig head, it might be a lot easier for you to flat iron the wig on the wig head in itself. But other than that though, I feel like the hair did take to the flat iron very well. I didn't have too many complications. I definitely didn't have any shedding or anything like that, and you shouldn't when it comes to a bob wig. This is such a nice simple wig to have, and I feel like anybody can rock it, and also anybody can install it. Just so you guys know, the closure, I do believe it is a 5x5 closure, so you do have a lot of room as far as what you want to do with the very front of your hair, but I decided to stick to a middle part. I feel like middle parts look the best whenever it comes to straight bob wigs. All right, and we are basically done, you guys. I will be going in with my hot comb just at the very top of my wig because you guys know I like to be extra. I want to make sure that the top of the wig is laying as flat as can be. But again, I feel like this wig is definitely for beginners, and if you like bob wigs. Bob wigs take some time for me to get used to personally, but as far as installing them, especially this one, it was so easy to do, and that true scalp tape definitely comes in handy as well. So let me know what you guys think about the true scalp tape. Let me know if you feel like it looks more natural than the makeup in itself. I can honestly say that it does, and I never thought about using the true scalp tape before. I've seen a bunch of girlies use it, but I've never used it for myself. But I see why it has become such a trend, because makeup sometimes can look very cakey on your lace or lace tint in itself, especially if you don't have the right shade. So I do feel like the true scalp tape is a lifesaver and definitely beginner friendly. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will have all of the information listed at the very top of the description box down below. And if you're thinking of purchasing this wig, I definitely feel like it'll be worth it, especially if you're a beginner and you love easy installs. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.